Well, today it's the first episode of Dental Gold. My dentist is in Heathcote. He is amazing, and since we're in Heathcote, and since he's so gentle, and I've got this filling done, and I'm still compos mentis, I'm gonna see if we can get some gold while we're here.
No, God, I don't want to get some gold.
So we're just heading down this track, and there's a creek down the other end here, and hoping this will be good areas so we can have a quick pan.
No!
Well, this looks lovely.
Look.
There's water. This is a bit of a shock. And you know, I don't even think the water's kind of clear.
Yeah. I can't with you, Dad. That way for me.
So what do we got here? We got some big rocks here. We got a nice little crevice there. Big back of the boulder here. That looks interesting in there.
What?
But I reckon here is the place to go for starters. Just wonder if anyone's been there before me or not.
What?
Let's find out. Don't have a trowel with me. I'm not used to prospecting like this. It's not looking very hard packed. Sarah?
Yeah?
I don't suppose you could go up to the car and get me a scrapey tool, could you? Sarah, a scrapey tool and a trowel if you can find one.
You're not very prepared.
Why?
Because you had said that you wanted a scrapey tool
Yep.
and you wanted a trowel.
Look, I saw it in the car. It had a yellow handle. It's like a screwdriver or something.
Well, it's not there now.
Oh, you're gonna laugh at me.
It's already down there, isn't it?
Yeah, there it is there.
Oops, a daisy.
Could you bring a bucket?
No,
Please?
I will. But as for the trowel, we had this same conversation when we went out to Malden.
Yeah, I know, and I didn't put it back. I wasn't expecting a trowel, but I was expecting the scrapey thing. But anyway, I found the scrapey thing. You've done your miracle again.
A bucket.
Love you. Yeah, a bucket, please. 2 buckets. Oh. Yes, well, that was embarrassing. Ooh, that's a root.
What?
I said that's a root. Ooh,
What is that?
this could be interesting.
Oh, it's like...
Ah,
You got it!
I got a bit of it, but
That is a water one.
this material is looking a lot better
What?
in that it's got clay in it. Oh, look at that. It's a real little well down the bottom here. I'm gonna have to call it because I just can't get any deeper. But
If we go now
at 3:15.
at 3:15.
Right, I'm just going down. Got one more thing to do, and then we'll be go. Okay?
That's okay because we're going to be running late.
And you can't leave without me because I got the keys.
Picking up the kids.
No, you're doing that.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Because I'm not dealing with the fact that I'm picking them up extra late from school.
Right, I'll just run down this hill. Oh, actually, not run down this hill because that could get messy. Oh. Right, now, question I've got for you peeps is, look at this. See all that in there? Now, I don't know if that's been dug by an animal. I haven't got in there to have a close look. But we're kind of on the beginning of an inside bend. There's a buttress of rock behind me, but the creek's kind of straight. And there's a few stumps and details here which are interesting. But, question. Would this mud bank act as a riffle? And if it did, would gold collect in the bottom of that hole there? Or, in flood, would this mud bank not actually be here? It would be swept away, and there'd only be a mud bank here when the flow subsided and started depositing sand and dirt here again. So the real question is, should I bother digging in down the bottom of that hole? It's not dangerous, I don't think, because I don't think that rock's going anywhere. So no idea if I've got any gold yet, because I haven't had time to really pan the thing off. So we'll get back to the house and we'll see. But yeah, time to go pick up the kids and stop teasing Sarah with how long I'm going to take. It's gonna be interesting. New creek. You never know what you find, whether it be gold or it'd be cool if it was there was some gems in it. I haven't got any gems for ages. But Heathcote's pretty much granite country, so it's not likely. Well, although having said that, that was kind of a basalty bedrock we were pulling stuff out of. Well, let's get some clean water and some decent light. Oh, well, that is gold. One speck out of that crevice. Well, that's not bad for a new spot. We actually found a creek, a new creek that's got gold in it. And I think it'd be worth going back to that crevice with something that I can get deeper into that crack down, because it just was going down. Although I would have thought I would have seen some gold, or at least some more gold in it. So anyway, have fun, and good luck finding the yellow.